Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, in this video, I'm talking about having the characteristics, the drive, the presentation, and the qualities of a man. I'm gonna share some of those with you. You need discipline. You need ego. You need masculinity. Discipline is getting up and taking care of your business. Ego is not being afraid of what other people think of you. Ego is thinking highly of yourself. Ego is knowing that the God gene is in you. Masculinity is working out mentally and physically, knowing that you are a soldier at heart. You may not be a soldier for the matrix, but you're a soldier for your family. You're a warrior for yourself. That's the God gene, guys. You gotta have discipline. You have to have an ego. The ego is the FU part of your personality. People say, oh, you so egotistical. You damn right. I have an ego. And I'm gonna protect that ego from psychopaths like you that wanna beat my ego down, wanna destroy my ego. So guys, you don't need any help in minimizing your manhood. You don't need any help in psychologically castrating yourself. So don't let these apps and these punk jobs punk you out of your manhood. Guys, this is the information age. There is a $2 trillion research laboratory in your pocket. Use it to become a better, a stronger, a more fierce person, man or woman. You gonna deliver DoorDash to your enemies? You gonna deliver DoorDash to your bullies? You gonna deliver Ubereats in the streets all day, every day? Guys, you need an exit plan. You have devalued yourself to the lowest unskilled position in the American economy, besides an inmate in prison. You have devalued yourself to one of the lowest skill, unappreciated, thankless jobs in the American economy. Grown men, grown women, some with children. I'm not talking about people who have already had a career and they are 40 or 50 years old. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about young people in the prime of their life. They have minimized themselves to being a voluntarily enlisting into an abusive, manipulative app. They know for a fact, and everybody has told them, that don't give a damn about them, will deactivate them. They know it. They have seen it on several YouTube videos. They've seen it on the news. They've seen it everywhere. But they have decided to subject themselves to the abuse of Uber and DoorDash. They have decided to participate in cognitive dissonance, running away from the information and knowledge they know are facts. That Uber steals tips, DoorDash steals tips. They have already settled millions of dollars for stealing tips. They've already admitted to it. It was a glitch or whatever it was. So don't tell me that they're not doing it. They said they're doing it. You idiot. And they're still doing it. Nobody likes you. Nobody respects you. The restaurants don't like you. DoorDash don't like you. The customer don't like you. Other people that you have to share the road with don't like you. Because you run stop signs, you run red lights, you speed, you're aggressive, you're flipping people off. It's bad for your health, mentally and physically. There are no upsides to the delivery gig economy. You're destroying your car, your mind, and your health. Even if you're making a few $1,000s here, a few $1,000s there, the wear and tear on your body and your car it can't be replaced. Johnny, what does your father do for a living? Did he go to school? Does he have a trade? Does he have a skill? Johnny, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be an Ubereats delivery boy. I want to be a DoorDash delivery boy. I want to be a DoorDash delivery girl. Jessica, what do you want to be? I want to be a DoorDash delivery girl. It's a bad look. You're setting a bad example for your children. I know you have to do what you have to do for the moment. I understand that. But I want to convict you to the point where you say, yeah, he's right. I need to get an exit plan. Because I know this is bullshit. I know I'm being used and abused, and I know they can deactivate me at any moment for nothing. And I'm tired of delivering coffee and donuts and junk and trash and BS to these ungrateful customers. Why I have to have all these cameras and pictures and phones and all this stuff just to protect my little slave job. Nobody has your back. DoorDash does not have your back. Ubereats does not have your back. They're looking at you like you're a clown. And even if you're not a brokey financially, you're a brokey in general. If you don't have a plan. Do you own Uber stock? I do. And I don't even do Uber. Do you own DoorDash stock? What is it at right now, guys? 105, 106? Do you own the stock? So you can build wealth to buy your freedom. Yes, the 9 to 5, your 9 to 5 counterparts are smarter than you. Yes. Yes, they have a boss and a supervisor that might be a jerk. But at least they have something to fall back on. The little benefits package is something that they can use without abusing their car. Staying out here in the heat all day is 90, 100 degrees. In the wintertime, it's 20 degrees. And you are here hawking hanging around and hawking for $2 or $3. Guys, come on. So guys, if you don't want to be a brokey, and you don't want to be a clown, stand up, man up. Get your discipline. Put your ego in check. And do what you have to do, guys. What did I say the three categories was? Yeah. Discipline, ego, and masculinity. That's right. That's right. Oh, you just trying to shame us. You damn right. You damn right. I'm trying to shame you into being a man. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, I dare you. I dare you try to shame me into gaining discipline, taking accountability for my decisions, and being a man. I dare you. You got some nerve. Well, I'm a man. I got my bread. I got my money. And I'm going to stand on what I believe in. I'm going to stand on what I believe in. Okay, guys? Stand on what you believe in. If it's working for you, stay in the streets. Stay in the streets if it's working for you. I guarantee you guys, within 5 years, every person on DoorDash right now will not be on there. Within 5 years. Every single person, that's the turnover rate going to be 100% within 5 years. Prepare your exit plan. Okay, guys, until next time, guys, keep your car clean, keep your house clean, keep your life clean, keep your mind clean, keep your diet clean, guys. Download and deploy your anti-malware software, debug and unplug from the matrix. Drink plenty of spring water so you can flush out the toxins, the chemicals, and the poisons that's in the food supply, guys. Guys, you are being poisoned and you are programmed to be a slave. You are programmed to minimize and devalue yourself. It is a program, guys. That's why everybody have signed a contract to be a slave for their whole lives. There's just a few people out here. They got the ego to speak against the system. To be an apologist. Only a few people have the ego, the masculinity, the testosterone to speak truth to power. So go ahead and get your soybean burger and your little latte and your little meatless, whatever them burgers are, what are those things? Beyond Meat. Go and eat your little bugs and stuff and see what they do for you. Okay, guys, until next time, guys, Contraband 777, I'm signing off. Now go and conquer yourself. Peace.